Hi foodies, welcome back again. You remember my sister Reshma Putran?
Hi.
So welcome again to my channel. And she had shown a vegetarian Mangalore dish earlier. Today she's going to show a non-veg dish. Do you want to say something about your recipe?
Sure. This is shark fish curry, Mangalorean style, and these are baby sharks basically, and they are just yum when you cook them.
I have tasted this dish and it's absolutely amazing. So, should we start?
Sure, let's go.
Come on.
Let's begin with the masala paste, which is a vibrant combination of spices that give the rich flavor to the curry. Now, bedgi chilies are preferred, but any other dried red chilies are also fine. We will keep building the flavors one by one. Now, Mangalore cooking is mostly coconut based, and we will make use of that a little bit later. For now, we have to fry these spices until fragrant. We don't have to brown the onion, just slightly fried along with the spices. This is good. We will blend these fried ingredients along with some of the fresh ingredients and the coconut. Now, tamarind will give a nice tang to the curry. Now we will blend this to a smooth paste. Perfect. We took a little trip to the local market to buy the baby sharks and ended up bringing a whole bunch of seafood. Look at how fresh these are. Now let's move on to the main curry. Now, even though we use garlic for blending, we still need a little bit of the ginger garlic paste to upgrade the flavors of the curry. Saute the tomatoes until oil separates, which means they are cooked. Time to add the masala paste. We need to season the curry before adding the fish. Now these are baby shark pieces and we need to remove the skin, which is chewy. We got it clean from the fisherwoman and I don't seem to have captured it, but not to worry, the skin comes off easily. Cover and cook completely, which doesn't take much time. Wow, look at that! Isn't that lovely? Our shark fish curry is ready and we can enjoy it with some steamed rice.
This smells and looks so amazing. I want to try and see how it is.
Sure, let's try.
Oh wow, absolutely amazing.
I hope you liked it.
I love it. It's awesome, amazing recipe, so simple. You saw very few ingredients and very easy to make. Once you have all the preparations done, it gets done so quickly, right?
I mean, and the fish cooks
really quick, yeah. So please subscribe to my channel for such amazing recipes that I'm going to show in the future. And if you like her recipe, please give it a big thumbs up.
And do subscribe and leave comments below. I'm waiting to hear from you.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.